Hello YouTube, I Fix It All here, Team I Fix It All. Little update here, I've been wanting to move my grapes. They used to be in this bed right here. I had two really mature ones, meaning 3 years old or so. And their root system had progressed all the way down through here. All this disturbed dirt. Yeah, and there's still probably roots in there. But I've got to finish mining out root from these grapevines that were here. But I also had a couple of little starts that I had transplanted by snipping off of the mother plant and putting them in the ground. And I moved them up to right up here next to where I have my blueberries in this bamboo arch screened in thing. So here's my new Grape Arbor, zero cost. Went out in the woods and found saplings that had a proper looking fork at the top. And here's one of the mature grapevines. And up here is the other mature grapevine. And in between it is little starts. And also, when I was pulling up roots out of that bed where they were, I was only able to pull up this entire plant with a big root ball, but I discovered the roots went like 12 foot across. So I yanked all that up and I snipped it into sections, and I planted root clump here, root clump here, root clump here, root clump here. See all these little sticks all the way up. And of course I have these little baby starts here too, all the way up through here. And then on top of that, I've also buried some marigold seed. I got some marigolds sitting over here. I could probably rob some more and get those in the ground. It's December 27th or something, 28th. Now this is wild grapevine. I'm using it as a trellis, so to speak, to give the new, these are white grapes, give them something to attach to and to climb to. But these grapevines here, I had to weave them in, and I've got them woven in on the middle and on the sides, on both ends. So these forked saplings that I went and found in the woods and chainsawed them, they're set in the ground 20 inches, probably like up to my knee, more than that actually. And then I wrapped them with a plastic, probably 5 or 6 layers of contractor grade trash bags that I cut up to be able to wrap this. It'll do something to help protect over the years. It should have some degree of longevity. Now, that one's maple, that's red oak, that one's maple, and that one's maple. And I nailed the grapevine, the wild grapevine, to the uprights. And then everywhere I did 4 horizontal runs, but then I kind of did a little wavy thing going on. And everywhere there's an intersection, I baling wired, or I used my safety wire pliers and attached and affixed just to introduce more support. Now eventually those grapevines won't serve a purpose because they'll decay away. Oh, that big horizontal support is all one sapling, but it's poplar, so it'll get lighter as it ages. It'll become real featherweight. But over time, these grapevines will create their own support structure system as the wild grapevines decay off. But yeah, I didn't, not a single dime. I didn't have to go buy anything for this. Alrighty, guys, let me know what you think. Grape Arbor. It's about 22 foot long, roughly, thereabouts. I think it'll work out real nice. I don't expect no grapes off of it next year or the year after. Just let them settle in and build the root base. But after that, we're in like Flynn for grapes. See ya.